About Shravana Nakshatra. Shravana Nakshatra denotes the star of learning, means the native is a good listener, endless pouring of ideas, flowing smoothly and steadily. One who hears with patience knows the system of orderly listening. The word Shravana denotes to listen, signifies the art of attentiveness through audible means. The term Shravana Nakshatra is also termed as Samhanana Shakti, the power of bringing the people together by connecting to the right path of life, guide a safest path to progress. Shravana Nakshatra presiding deity is Lord Vishnu, a pervading energy capable of conquering all the energies of the three worlds. Lord Vishnu means one who crosses heights, which means active or progress, which are two visible footsteps. And third one is space, denotes knowledge of the world, which is the third and which is beyond the two. The natives acquire nakshatra attributes, help correct vision into the objectives of life, acquire knowledge of the world. The native is hunger for knowledge, possess all life attributes, qualitative mature thinkers, have vision in life, provide solutions with right perspectives. This is the voice of an intellect who does not rest until they had heard the music of humanity. The natives are also called Aswatha or sacred pipal tree under which horses stand. He is a holy figure tree which where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. The characteristic qualities of Shravana Nakshatra are: the natives are good advisors as they carry high maturity to portray their earnest thinking in right directions. They are good lecturers, educators, teachers, like to visit places to educate the needy and regulate the unregulated processes. They are short looking in appearance, carry a visible mole, denotes luck and favor. The natives have a very good smiling approach, attract and earn remembrance, gathers strength, go brave with strangers, achieve the goals with focus. They are good at music, dance, acting, have a vision of arts. He is blessed with goddess of knowledge and talent, acquire greatest education. She is humanity in love, righteousness, liberal in extending charities to the needy. The natives stand by their word, live up to the expectations, never step back from their vision, even in adverse situations. Natives respect their parents, take utmost care is their priorities in life. They are dedicated, hardworking, dutiful, need no controlling and monitoring, and follow deadlines, completing their task. They are quite helpful and service oriented. Always be present when they are needed. Never hurt anyone or pose problem intentionally. Religious, sincere and honest, maintain peace with surrounding people and environment. They achieve their goals with strategies, never compromise on their executions. A perfectionist and extremely cautious in their deliverance and flawless. They expect quality around them as they are qualitative in approach, being sincere, honest, spiritual, and religious. The natives are based with qualitative thinking, keep them away apart from others and selfish too. Too much charity work ending up with debt and eventual poverty. Be always in need of money. Natives turn harmful, narrow minded when the goals are unprincipled and not fully recognized. But with the blessings of Lord Vishnu and Goddess Saraswati, their organization abilities and aspirations in life lead a good life through their honesty makes it favorable to them to progress in life. The carried prospects for Shravana Nakshatra have good opportunities as good teachers, educationists, professors, lecturers, linguistic consultants, translators, narrators, storytellers, musicians, comedians, recording artists, cultural heritage, traditional librarians, social media writers, columnists, event management, broadcasters, psychologists, psychoanalysts, musical instrument manufacturers, import and export, music academies, sponsoring musical talents, global talk show hosts, radio operators, travel agents, healers and practitioners, restaurant operators, charity organizations, community advocates, court reporters, police detective, military security advisors, counseling and social workers. Shravana or Thiruvonam Nakshatra Devata Mantra. Om Vishnu Rara Tamasi Vishno Snaptre Sto Vishno Surasi Vishno Dhruvasi Vaishnavamasi Vishnave Tva Om Vishnave Namaha.
Please subscribe to our Vedi Books YouTube channel by clicking on the bell icon.